Let's begin our webinar for today. What do we mean when we say unlock the power of your data? Well, let's say, for example, that you work in a small to medium enterprise organisation with an annual turnover of £44 million. You need to grow the organisation, increase efficiency, improve performance, and return answers to customers more quickly through process optimisation and by understanding current resource wastage. You have historic data, which can be mined to better understand customer needs. If you only had the time and capacity in-house, customer segmentation and AI text mining of customer reviews, these would provide your team with answers to optimize services and increase satisfaction and employee well-being through AI solutions. Well, the Data Insights programme at the Leeds Institute for Data Analytics can fulfil the capacity and resourcing gap you might be experiencing. We have a proven track record of helping businesses and public sector organisations uncover data insights and deliver data products for better business intelligence whilst shaping the next generation of the data workforce. We handle the recruitment, management and training of the data scientists. You bring the project idea and the funding. The programme is managed by me, Kylie Norman. I'm a CMI Level 5 qualified coach. I deliver the programme's mentoring, training and development to ensure that you access not only technical talents, but also data science with strong communication and project management ability. Associate Professor Richard Hodgett is the academic chair. He leads the academic assurance, effectively the quality stamping of the programme, as well as its university-wide advisory group. Richard is based in the Leeds University Business School and brings skills in decision science and business analytics to the programme. He's supported by Deputy Chair Professor Nick Mallison, who leads on recruitment and technical ability, and who is expert in AI solutions to spatial modelling problems. Lastly, Dr. Sajid Siraj is our Equity, Diversity and Inclusion Chair, delivering our award-winning EDI strategy to reduce inequalities in the data workforce. So how does the programme work and what exactly do we do? Well, we recruit a full-time data scientist to work exclusively on your project for 6 months, following a cycle of April to September or October to March. Management, training and mentorship are delivered in-house in Leader to ensure that your data scientist is fully equipped to deliver your project. They are in turn supervised by senior data and AI experts from across the University of Leeds, whom the programme will help to match you with, and who will be selected according to your expertise, needs and objectives. Working together on your project using applied data and AI methods, they uncover critical insights and deliver data products in just 6 months that your team may not have the time currently or the tools or specialist skills to deliver in-house. We handpick the best graduate talent with strong critical thinking and technical know-how, supported by specialist academic expertise. Your project team delivers every stage of the data and AI process, from data engineering to data analysis, AI modelling, reproducible solutions and data visualizations, so that you have tangible insights and products to work with after only 6 months. What makes us different from others who are operating in this space? Well, we're trusted because we've been established for 10 years, supporting over 100 data scientists to deliver award-winning research data science across 200 separate projects. Our approach to equity, diversity and inclusion is recognised for diversifying the data workforce. We offer multidisciplinary solutions to real-world data and AI problems, meaning that you get the benefits of many perspectives brought to bear on your particular problem. Our programme mission statement is data science for public good, meaning that we only work on problems that will have a direct positive impact on society. This enhances your corporate social responsibility. We offer short time to impact because all projects are conducted in 6 months. We're helping you to build capacity by trying out data science talent before you hire. 24% of our data scientists go on to work for our program partners. We're also hassle-free, taking care of the recruitment, management, training and mentoring of the data scientists and offering you personalised support to build your project and your project team. We can help you achieve strategy and performance measurement, process optimization and waste reduction, business innovation and growth, customer and user insights, workforce planning and team development. The cost of a 6-month project is £35,000 plus VAT. The majority of those costs are the salary of the data scientist, with the remainder going towards the programme management costs, academic staff time and training. How do we compare with others offering data solutions or consultancy? Well, the Big Four charge roughly £180,000 for a 6-month junior data consultant who wouldn't have access to academic expertise, or you'd pay between £40,000 and £60,000 for a 1 or 2 year corporate graduate scheme, for example, at Sky, but these often only cater to certain sectors and have a longer time to impact. A knowledge transfer partnership would cost £50,000 for a 1 to 3 year project. Again, slightly longer time to impact, or £45,000 for public sector schemes like the Office for National Statistics Data Campus, which takes a project across 1 or 2 years. Our programme stands out for offering swifter return on investment, academic inputs on the problem, and tangible data products that are the result of a data scientist working exclusively on your problem for 6 months, which means we're cost effective, time saving, low effort, delivering peace of mind and high quality outcomes. Your return on investment looks like a full-time data scientist who delivers every stage of the data and AI workflow, academic collaborators who quality assure the work of the data scientist, personalised project support via the programme's leadership and advisory group, data insights delivered at pace, outsourcing of training, management and mentoring, cutting-edge methods and AI to deliver bespoke data products. So what do you need to do in order to be eligible for a programme like this? Firstly, having a data problem or question that needs insights. Then thinking about your alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which I'll talk more about in just a moment, i.e. a public good rationale behind the particular problem that you wish to work on. You'll also need data relevant to the problem that you wish to solve. A Leeds University academic to lead the project. We assist with matchmaking you with researchers relevant to your particular question, and the £35,000 plus VAT of funding. You'd be working towards a deadline of end of February for project team and proposal assembly. And again, between now and then, our whole leadership team is at your disposal to be able to support you through that project development and scoping process. We define data science for public good in accordance with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, of which there are 17. Some of you may know about these already. This means that to work with us, you need to be able to identify at least one of the goals that your project is actively contributing to. The 17 goals include innovation and industry, reducing inequalities, sustainability, and so on. There's a lot of scope here, and we'll be happy to work with you to identify goal alignment. For example, industry, infrastructure, and innovation is quite a common theme that comes up, common goal from the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Let's take as an example a data insight solution that we delivered for food retailer Morrisons, focusing on vehicle routing optimization. A team was assembled to see if data-driven routing could outperform single store per trip delivery using clustering modelling. The result of this project for the partner was a 40% reduction in travel distance, meaning cost and carbon emissions savings. In the case of the Leeds Best City Planning project undertaken in partnership with Leeds City Council, a team was assembled to make census data accessible to support planning and decision making, both for policymakers and for the general public. The resulting Power BI dashboard contains all Leeds wards 2011 and 2021 census data and enables access to housing, employment, demographic information and more at pace for councillors and members of the public alike, so that they can conduct smarter evidence-based urban planning and service delivery. This dashboard sits on the Leeds City Council Observatory website and has reduced incoming census-related data requests to Leeds City Council by 75%. So already you get to see some of the ways in which projects on the Data Insights programme could help your business strive towards its goals. These are some of the other partners we've worked with on data research, including creating digital twins to better predict how avatars move around virtual worlds, for example, creating a web application for cancer diagnosis for clinicians, using modelling to predict consumer market trends to ensure supply, and so on. Imagine this answers a pressing need that you have. What's next following on from today's webinar? First, identify your data problem or insights need. Then reach out for a scoping meeting to discuss your needs and alignments. We match you with an academic with relevant expertise in the particular area that you need to be working in. Together, you produce a project outline. The project is agreed, and then we match a data scientist with the relevant skills to work on your project. If this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, please feel free to reach out to me across email or LinkedIn for a conversation. Alternatively, you can follow the QR code on the bottom right of the screen to book a 30-minute online meeting with me to discuss how the programme can help you. For more information about the programme generally, visit the QR code in the top left of the screen to find out more. Thank you very much, everyone, for listening.